It's been going on for 3 years since I bought the Royal Enfield 350 Meteor, and I just love it. It's the relaxed riding position. It's the way it wants you to slow down. Just enjoy the ride. It's not a bike that begs you to race. It just invites you to ride. And since I've had it, I haven't ridden my Yamaha Dragstar 650 once. Not at all. The Dragstar's a great bike, bigger engine, more power, classic cruiser feel, I guess. But every time I think about going out for a ride, it's the Meteor. It's lighter, more nimble, easier to handle, and just more fun. It just really is more fun. But the biggest surprise really has been the fuel economy. And on a run, 100 to 115 miles a gallon isn't out of bounds. It's just incredible. That means you can ride for ages without worrying about fuel stops. It's economical, it's practical, but it's got character. Beyond the numbers, it's the feeling that keeps me riding it. The Meteor has this balance, simple, dependable, comfortable, but it's got personality. It doesn't try too hard, it just works. 3 years in, I love it. It's probably the best decision in a motorbike I've ever done. I just love riding it. So if you've got a Meteor 350, I'd love to hear what you think of it. And, well, enjoy riding.